I love networking, engaging in small talks, and getting comfortable in a new space. Don't we all wish we could say that? On the opposite side, networking can be as stressful as public speaking or karaoke. But as product designers, we believe in the power of design to solve anything. I'm May, Senior Designer at Google. Today, I will talk about how to use your design thinking to enhance your networking skills. Think about the product building process. The first step is always setting a goal and conducting research. Networking goals can vary based on whom you want to connect with. Consider these personas, peers. These are the buddies in your professional journey, maybe on the same level as you in the company. They are the ones you bounce ideas off, share your wild schemes with, or just went to when things get crazy. Think of them as your work buddies, besties, the folks that you practically live with. Mentors. Picture this, your professional Yoda. They are the wise guides you look up to for navigating the twists and turns of your career. They not only dream big with you, but also drop some serious knowledge on handling work dilemmas, conflicts, or even those tricky personal issues. Coach. These are the gurus, the industry wizards. They provide that eagle-eyed view, keeping you in check with your goals. Need help landing that dream job? Grab an interviewing coach. Want to get promoted? A career coach is your go-to wizard for that. Your sponsor is responsible for your work results. Typically, they're the leaders within your team. Building a healthy relationship with your sponsor is crucial, as it indicates that you are performing well, and they naturally become your advocate. In your absence, they will support you and speak positively about you, which can help you advance in your organization during promotion discussions. Mentees seek your wisdom, and you share your experiences and network with them. It's a knowledge exchange dance, and you're the star teacher. Now, armed with your goals and personas, when approaching your target audience, think of it as a user interview. If you love design research and interviews, you might enjoy networking too. During my time at Co-Founders Lab, hosting monthly events in New York City, I, as a product designer, needed to get into those events undercover to gather user insights. Simple introduction lines like, "Hi, I'm May, nice to meet you, what's your name?" and "What brought you here?" always worked well for initiating conversations. If I identified them as one of my personas, I'd ask more targeted questions. Gradually, I became more comfortable getting to know people and asking questions, making networking easier and more enjoyable. You'll find most people love being asked and share their knowledge. It should go as smooth as your user research. The only difference of this approach between networking and user research is that you get to share your thoughts and personal experiences as well. It's more interactive that way. Approaching networking like a research project opens up many interaction directions. Harvard Business Publishing provides 4 tips proven to work. Look for islands or small groups. Instead of seeing a room full of people as an ocean, think of it as little islands. People often interact in a group of 2. So try to spot a group with odd number. You probably find someone in that group is not part of the conversation, and they're looking for a conversational partner as well. Number 2, networking doesn't mean meeting new people. Reaching out to individuals you haven't talked in the last 2 to 3 years. These dormant ties, once warmed up, can provide valuable connections with the trust within those relationships. And number 3, change your mindset and have fun. Test out an alternative personality, like creating an extroverted game character. That's the charming part of meeting new people. You start fresh. And the last tip, find common interest. Discuss hobbies, skills, or lighthearted topics to start with. Ask about their next vacation or holiday plans to relax the energy and get people excited to talk. So those tips cover the basis of networking, and I know many of you might want to target mentorship-like relationships. LinkedIn is a great place to make such professional conversations, where you can sow seeds that will expand your networking passively over time. One of my mentees asked me, "Why are you open to being my mentor?" It was a great question, and it took me a while to understand why. I want to mentor people because I see myself in them. It's therapeutic to help someone like the younger me when I felt down and helpless. So if you're looking for a mentor, there's a higher chance if your target mentor has a similar background or is pursuing the same career path with you. Personalize your note, mentioning something you have in common. You might wonder, I request a LinkedIn invite and I never get a reply back. I hear you. I've run into the same problem. There's no guarantee of connecting, but here is what I find could increase the connection chances. Ask something tangible. Even a loosely tied mentor is there to help you. So if you don't lay out your asks, mentors might not know how to help, so they don't reply. Be specific. Provide all the materials your mentor needs to know first, like your portfolio link and a resume. Then ask specific advice, like how do you think I can improve my portfolio? From there, the conversation would develop naturally. After a couple time of exchanges like this, and updating your portfolio as your mentor advises, they would appreciate your focus and build natural trust with you. Referral should then be somewhat simple. I tell you, when I see a good portfolio, I feel obligated to help. I want to be the pearl picker. So let's build the audacity to reach out, just as you have the audacity to do user research. Test out different methods and see which style fits you better. Don't forget to have fun. Don't feel down when you don't connect. We respect the nature of society. That's why we're designers, right? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like button and follow for more design topics. See you next time. Bye!